Hello guys, I'm Coding Vampire. So in this tutorial we're going to discuss another kind of operator called conditional operator, also known as ternary operator. This operator is alternative of the if-else statement, which means that both conditional operator and if-else statement perform in similar way. The syntax of conditional operator is question mark semicolon. Suppose I have a code in form of if-else statement, that is if expression 1, then the body of if, and I have written another expression 2, then else expression 3. Now I can write this if part of the code using the ternary operator, that is expression 1 question mark expression 2 colon expression 3, which means that if expression 1 is true, so execute expression 2, else execute expression 3. So we'll understand conditional operator with the help of program. So example 6, do all the program, example program from 1 to 4 using conditional operator. Okay, so the first problem was to accept the age of a person and tell whether the person is eligible for voting or no. So we don't need any special header file to use the ternary operator or the conditional operator. So I'll write a single line comment ternary operator. Now include the two header file iostream.h conio.h, then void main clear screen int age cout enter your age slash and in age. Now instead of the if else statement, I'll use the conditional operator. So let me write a multi-line comment if I wanted to execute this program using if else statement. If age is greater than or equal to 18, cout eligible for voting, else if age less than 18, display cout not eligible for voting. Now close the else if. Now notice one thing, that it is not necessary for me to write this expression because either a person can be greater than or equal to 80 or less than 18. So if the first condition is false, the second one can be by default less than 18. So I can omit this part of the code. Now close the multi-line comment. Now I'll write this code using conditional operator. Within parentheses, age greater than or equal to 18 question mark cout eligible for voting colon cout not eligible for voting. Now get ch. Now close the main body of the program. So this means that if age is greater than 18, execute the first expression, that is cout eligible for voting. If age is not greater than 18, execute this expression third, that is cout not eligible for voting. Now I'll run the program. Cout enter your age, for example 25, eligible for voting. Now I'll again run the program, for example 2 years old, not eligible for voting. So now you can understand that you just have to change the order of the expression used in else if statement if you want to write them using ternary operator. So this expression goes here, and this expression goes here, and the third expression goes here. Now we'll do the next problem. Write a program to accept two integers and display the largest integer. We will include two header file, iostream.h, include conio.h, then write void main. I want you to write a multi-line comment, difference between void main and int main. This is in the chapter data handling. Now open the main body of the program, clear screen. Now I'll declare two variable int a comma b. Now I'll tell the user to enter the two number /n c in a b. Now I'll use the ternary operator. If a is greater than b, display cout a is largest and display the value of a. Else cout b is largest and display the value of b. Get ch. Now close the main program. Now I'll run the program 6734. The compiler kept the value 67 in the memory location A and 37 in the memory location B. Now since 67 was greater than B, so the first expression was executed. Now if A is not greater than B, then this expression would get executed. So the next question is, write a program to accept mark of a student and print whether the student has passed the exam or not, and minimum marks for passing exam is 50. So include to header file iostream.h, conio.h, then write void main, clear screen, int mark. Cout, enter your mark /n c in mark. Now I'll use the conditional operator. If mark is greater than 50, display pass, else display fail. Now close the program, get ch. Now compile it, run the program, enter your marks, 89, passed. Okay, so now you have understood how you can use conditional operator instead of if-else statement. Now you can see that the code has become so compact, and I wrote the same program using the conditional operator using less number of statements. Example 4. Write a program which accepts two numbers and divide the first number with second. If second number is 0, display not defined. So I want you to do the program by yourself. If you are not able to get the solution, you can see the answer. Now include two header file iostream.h, void main, clear screen. I'll declare two variables a comma b. I'll tell the user to enter any two number seeing greater than a, greater than b. Now I'll use the conditional operator b not equal to 0. That is, if b is not equal to 0, cout answer is less than a by b, else display not defined. Get ch and close the main program. Now I'll compile it. Okay, it is telling me, displaying me an error. Preprocessor directive include. Okay, so the spelling of include is wrong here. Hash include. Now I compile the program, 0 errors, run it. Enter two number 6, 2, answer is 3. Because b was not equal to 0, so it executed this statement. But when I entered b is equal to 0, it displayed me not defined. So what is the difference between if-else statement and conditional operator? If-else make the code long, conditional operator make the code compact. If-else is more flexible, and conditional operator it is not flexible. Nested if is easy to read and understand. Conditional operator make the code complex. That is, the nested conditional operator make the code complex. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.